to get ready for a walk. Want your lead? Don't walkies. I nipped out to get some fuel. Realised that the weather was actually stunning, so decided to carry on and venture to a new beach with the dogs, go for a dog walk. I forgot that I've still got wet hair, but not only that, I've got a towel still as a hairband. Usually the beaches or wherever I've been walking, so I'm parking right behind me. Usually where I've been taking the dogs has been empty, so it's in honour of my wet hair towel. Also no makeup, just to add to it. The busiest place in pretty much most of Australia. There's so many people here. I've quickly learned the no makeup and wet hair thing is it's fine, but shoes, not a thing. This is weird walking across a car park shoeless. We are back from the beach. It's actually really nice, but a lot of seaweed. I've both enjoyed it. Hair is now dry. Bonus! Take them home and then go to a beach for humans, not dogs.